Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, friends. We from Group 7 would like to present the results of our discussion about banning of motorbikes is necessary in the housing areas. This is the text. Motorbikes are a nuisance and a cause for great distress, even though motorbikes are considered as the most convenient form of transportation. I think they are a hazard to humans, animals as well as the environment. I think motorbikes should be banned in housing areas due to the following reasons. Cause of unreasonable amount of noise, air pollution, diseases and accidents. First of all, I would like to point out that motorbikes are major contributor to the pollution in the world. Research has shown that motorbikes emit a deadly gas that is dangerous for environment. Consequently, long-term emission of gas from motorbikes is a major contributor of global warming. Science Daily. Secondly, according to a report from BBC, motorbikes are also responsible for causing diseases such as bronchitis, cancer, and are a major trigger of asthma and high blood pressure. Some of the diseases are so ghastly that they can kill people. BBC News, 2009. Furthermore, motorbikes create so much noise. There is vroom noise everywhere. It is extremely difficult to sleep. Parents with infants find it extremely challenging the moment their babies fall asleep. One or other motorbike passes by and the baby wakes up. It is also arduous for children to concentrate on their homework. Experts are of opinion that if there is extreme noise, it can lead to deafness and lack of concentration in children and adults. Field, 1993. In conclusion, from the arguments above, I strongly believe that motorbikes should be banned from housing areas. Language features. Mental verbs. I think. Conjunctive relation. First of all. Secondly, casual conjunction. Consequently, generic reference. Accidents. Children. Parents. Expert opinion. Expert. Research show. Present tense. Go fast. Are responsible. There is. The thesis is in the first paragraph. The arguments are in paragraphs 2, 3, and 4, while the conclusion reiteration is in the last paragraph.